In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create and display post categories in WordPress. Categories are an effective way for you to organize your WordPress posts to make it easier for visitors to search for content. To create a new post category, go to Posts and click on Categories. Now give this category a name and add a slug for this category. It's usually just the name of the category. If you create more categories which come under one particular category, you can add those subcategories under the parent category from here, and add a description for the category here. Then click on Add New Category. And as you can see, the category was created. Now, to add the posts in categories, go to All Posts and open a post. On the right-hand side, you have the Categories option. Just select the category you want to add this post in, then click on Update, and now when I go back to All Posts, you can see that this post is under the new category we just created. Now, when I go to my website, you can see under the post it specifies which post is under which category. If you want to add the categories in the menu, you can do that too, so that your viewers can see all the posts in a particular category. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Menu. Expand the Categories menu item. Select the category you want to display, and click on Add to Menu. Then click on Save. So now when I go to the website and reload the page, you can see that the category was added in the menu. When I click on it, I'm redirected to the page where all the posts from that particular category are displayed. This is how you can create and display post categories in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.